Hey guys, it's me Levon, Loaded Operator 7, and today I'm showing you something a little different again. This is my electric fencing that I ordered from Premier One, and it's badass. It's really effective against any varmint or anything trying to get in there. Is it? Oh, it's on right now. So this is all excess that I have. This originally was going all the way around, all the way this. I was using all 328 feet. They're 164 foot each length, and I got two of them. So look at my turkeys. Let me turn this thing off before I zap myself. This thing puts out about 10,000 volts, so it'll definitely give you a yikes. But the amperage is low. Check out my turkeys. Honk, 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 honk. So my other four turkeys are up by the house over there on the side. When these guys get a little bit bigger, I'm going to separate them and I'm going to put them with the other turkeys. Right now my aggressive roosters are with the with the turkeys, and it's a funny combination. All the chickens are obviously away for the night. You can see a little tail hanging out over there. This is my new coop. And there goes little half and half still hocketing. Careful! Remember what I said. You don't tear that outfit, okay? My little daughter. So yeah, this is my little enclosure.
Hi.
Hi. I love you.
I love you.
You're my sweetheart.
Huh? Where's the rest of them?
All of them are gone. They're going inside for the night. I got a couple out there. I got, it looks like my Jersey Giant rooster and my Silver Dorkings rooster are out. So I got sets of these birds. I don't know if I've told you in the past. I got 3 females to every male, and I got 5 breeds. I got Beifelders, Australorps, Silver Dorkings, Jersey Giants, and Americanas, and there might be one more in there somewhere. So yeah, and then I got a free rooster, which is the one you hear right now. That's half and half, little black, little white one. And then I also got a rooster, which is a dark Brahma, which has got furry feet, and he likes to attack my wife. So he's gonna go in with my, since he's cold hardy, I'm gonna breed him with my barnyard variety, and see how that works out. Get some mixed breeds, and hopefully, as long as they give me eggs, I really don't care. And then there's my little turkeys. These are my bourbon red turkeys. And then I got the other guys up over there. Look at my little son. And I got my my white crested turkeys are up over there with the roosters. So this is what I'm working on currently, guys. Not bad for an old guy. Got about 17 tons of wood. This was delivered by my good friend Mike Pihl. Yes, the guy from the Axemen show. He is by far one of the coolest guys I know. He brings me all the stuff for firewood, and then I cut it up, I split it up, and get it ready for winter. But as you can see, I've been quite busy. As you can see, it's all drying up already, and it's all splitting. So it's working out pretty dang good. I got a lot of this stuff, guys. I got a lot of it. And look how it's drying, and it's getting all, it's all getting, well, he brought me some pretty dry stuff already. So I'll be ready for winter. But Annie, you gotta go. What I tell you about getting that outfit dirty? My daughter's wearing her Halloween outfit. So all I've been doing is I've been dragging these huge logs, excuse me, just dragging them here and just cutting them all here so that all my fire, excuse me, all my sawdust is concentrated in one area. So then I can just rake it all up and either put it in the compost bin, which is probably what I'm going to do with it. So got 2 serious logs left, and the rest of it's all little stuff. This guy's already cut up. Jesus, it's definitely a lot of work, guys. I don't need a gym, I can promise you that. And just keep it off the ground is what I've learned. Got all those stacked up. So this is my sleigh. I got it on the sleigh, and I'm going to drag that up to the log splitter, and I'm going to split them all up by the house. Well, I'm not really sure what I'm going to do yet. I might just pull the splitter down here and just split it all over here so all the wood and everything stays in one area, and then just tractor it up there with my little trailer and maybe with the sleigh. But that's what I'm keeping up with, just trying to get it all ready for winter. And thank you, Mike, again. Can't thank you enough for bringing me the wood. You're definitely a lifesaver, especially when it's really cold and our fireplace is blaring. You're definitely in our thoughts. But yeah, cool. Any questions or comments, guys, leave them below. My little Husqvarna saw by far is worth his weight in gold, and this is the second or third batch of firewood I've gone through. So multiply that, 17 tons. Yeah, this thing is amazing, and it's a little guy. It's a 350, but it's got a 20-inch bar on it. I've been hand filing my saw, and it's sharper than you want. It's an amazing saw. My chain is a little bit slack there, but I'm done cutting for tonight. So I'm gonna sharpen it up so it's ready for next. Well, ready for tomorrow actually. Get that big boy to cut and that big boy to cut, and then the rest of it's chump change. I can cut all that stuff up and split it with my teeth. But yeah, I've been dragging them all down here with my tractor and the Harbor Freight 2,500 pound winch that I got in the back there, and that's what we've been doing. Any questions or comments, guys, leave them below. Thank you for watching. Bye, guys.